नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. Question number 8 is, which was the first war between kuffar and Muslims in the era of Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu after the death of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Answer is Battle of Yamama. Question number 9 is, how long after the death of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did the Battle of Yamama take place? And the answer is about 5 months later. Question number 10 is, why is Musalma Kazab called Kazab while his name was only Musalma bin Thamama? And the answer is, Musalma Kazab wrote himself Musalma Rasulullah and addressed the Holy Prophet upon. Since then, he became famous as Musalma Kazab. Question number 11 is, what steps did Musalma Kazab take to convince people of his false prophecy? And the answer is, made alcohol and other things, forbidden things, halal. Second, forgive Fajr and Isha prayers. Question number 12 is, name the two false claimants of prophethood who married each other during the era of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu. And the answer is Musalma Kazab and Saja bint Haris. Question number 13 is, name the great companion who loved Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and was the first to be martyred for protecting the finality of prophethood. Answer is Hazrat Habib bin Zaid radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Question number 14 is, which Muslim follower was thrown into the fire by Aswad Ansi for not believing in his false prophethood? Answer is Hazrat Abu Muslim Khawlani radiallahu ta'ala anhu was thrown into the fire but the fire could not harm him. Allah brought him out